Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day number 2 for February Daily Math. All right, number 1 says, write a subtraction problem that equals 349. Okay, I'm going to put my 349 on the bottom then, right? And there's my equal sign. Here's my subtraction. We can just pick a 3-digit number out. Okay, let's go 452. Sound good to you? Okay. Now we need to add these together. Okay. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Right? Now 4 plus 5 is 9 plus the other one makes 10. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus the one we had to carry over is 8. Okay, so there we have 801 minus 452 equals 349. All right, number 2 says, how much are these tiles worth in all? Well, we can just count them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so it's worth 16, unless, of course, you hit double word or triple word score. If you're playing Scrabble at home, you know what I'm talking about, right? Or maybe you had to double or triple a letter, or both. Ooh. Number 3, February is the month of hearts and valentines. Monkey Shines wants to give 2 valentines to each person in your classroom, including your teacher. How many valentines will he need? Okay, we have 20 kids in our class, plus 2 teachers equals 22. Now, he wants to give 2 valentines to each person, times 2 equals 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. So, how many valentines? 44 valentines. Okay, number 4 says, show 5 times 3 on this number line, and then write the equation. So we want 5 jumps of 3. So let's jump 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump 3. 1, 2, 3. A lot of people are like, well, why don't you go this way? Well, because it's easier for me to see where I'm going this way than this way, because my hand gets in the way, right? You lefties probably know what I'm talking about, because you're always going this way. It's hard, isn't it? So, all right, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more jump. 1, 2, 3. So there's my 5 jumps with 3 in each jump. So our multiplication equation would be 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, number 5, last one already today. Wow, that's fast. Draw a line to split this heart into 2 equal parts. Write the fraction that describes each part. So we're going to draw our line right down the middle here. Okay, so how many equal parts do we have? The total number of equal parts is our denominator. Okay, so we have 2 equal parts. There's 1, there's 2. Now, what fraction describes each part? Well, this is 1/2, and that is 1/2. Okay, all right, boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow for day number 3.